Welcome to this presentation on Supplier and Partnership Management Essentials. I'm excited to walk you through key concepts that can transform the way you manage supplier relationships and partnerships in today's fast-paced business environment. Whether you're new to procurement or an experienced professional, these practical insights will help you unlock greater supply chain resilience and business value. Let's begin by looking at what we'll cover today. Here's a quick overview of our journey in this session. First, we'll introduce the basics of supplier management and why it's crucial in the modern supply chain. We'll then discuss strategies for handling suppliers across global markets, before diving into the art of building robust supplier relationships. Next, we'll examine negotiation tactics that deliver real results in procurement. Finally, we'll wrap up with some closing thoughts to bring everything together. Now, let's dive into the heart of supplier management and see why it matters. When it comes to supply chain success, effective supplier and partnership management are at the core. Think of every product journey. From raw materials all the way to the store shelf, companies rely on a network of trusted suppliers to ensure quality, cost-effectiveness, and agility. Building these relationships isn't just about transactional exchanges. It's about strategic alignment, crystal-clear communication, and setting shared goals with your partners. A well-structured supplier ecosystem does more than just drive down costs. It enhances a company's ability to respond quickly to market changes, encourages innovation, and manages risks efficiently. By forging strong partnerships, organizations are better equipped to seize new opportunities and withstand global disruptions. Let's see how these principles translate globally, starting with best practices in managing suppliers across different regions of the world. Managing a global network of suppliers comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities. To stay agile in this landscape, companies focus on three key aspects: visibility, cost optimization, and agile sourcing. Firstly, visibility is paramount. Having end-to-end oversight allows teams to respond swiftly to any disruption, whether it's a delay at a port or a spike in demand. Tools like supplier scorecards, predictive analytics, and scenario planning help companies assess resilience and quickly reroute supply when needed. Secondly, optimizing costs is about more than just bargaining for lower prices. It involves ongoing negotiations, consolidating volumes across regions, and using automation for procurement to enable fast, informed decisions. The result? Consistent service levels even in turbulent times. Finally, agile sourcing means having the flexibility to shift suppliers and logistics as markets evolve. Digital tools and analytics help organizations monitor supplier performance, optimize logistics, and achieve cost efficiencies, no matter where their suppliers are based. Now that we've covered the global aspect, let's explore the keys to building the kind of strong supplier relationships that keep your supply chain running smoothly. What sets apart resilient supply chains? Strong relationships built on trust and collaboration are the foundation. There are three pillars to successful supplier partnerships: conflict management, collaboration, and aligning on trust. Proactively managing conflicts is essential to avoid costly breakdowns. Think clear escalation paths, transparent negotiation protocols, and robust issue trackers that ensure problems are dealt with quickly before they escalate. Collaboration, especially through digital platforms and shared success metrics, promotes ongoing feedback and innovation. Leading organizations engage suppliers in training and development, co-innovation programs, and continuous improvement initiatives to boost mutual performance and loyalty. Ultimately, mutual trust aligns everyone's objectives. When companies and their suppliers communicate openly, run performance reviews, and solve problems together, partnerships grow stronger and deliver long-term value for everyone involved. With those relationship strategies in mind, let's move on to negotiation, a crucial skill for maximizing value and minimizing risk. Negotiation isn't just about getting the lowest price. It's about achieving goals that benefit both the buyer and the supplier, fostering long-term value. The best negotiators prepare thoroughly and use a balanced approach to cost, data, and relationship building. It starts with clear goal setting. Define what you want to achieve in the negotiation, and don't forget to consider both your needs and those of your supplier. Use market research and benchmarking data to support your case, ensuring that decisions are based on facts. Active listening plays a major role here. By genuinely hearing supplier concerns and feedback, companies can clarify terms and conditions to everyone's satisfaction. Finally, building trust lays the groundwork for future deals. Align on mutual interests and you enable agreements that both sides can win from, reducing conflict and supporting collaboration. As we bring all of these strategies together, let's summarize what this means for your supply chain and partnership strategy. In summary, strong supplier management, effective collaboration, and smart negotiation are the pillars of a robust, resilient supply chain. By mastering these essentials, organizations gain a lasting competitive edge, adapting quickly to change, reducing risk, and unlocking new sources of value. Thank you for joining this presentation. If you're interested in learning more or taking a deeper dive into any of these topics, be sure to check out the resources in the description or connect on LinkedIn.